Oh yes, umuthi ndirenda kwaririria uhoro wa athuri kwagira muthuri mwega no, that mature man. Eke huthire githungu kiega. A mature man ni uriku? A mature man ni uriku? Tondu no tugikorwo twina athuri na Queen Mary ni akiaragia ndeto cia athuri, no ugikorwo athuri aya matiri na wigiririkia uyu. Muthuri mature ni uria understandaga. He understands the partner without constant arguments. Muthuri ucio understandaga uria arerwo ni mutumia wake ti wene wake. He understands always. He chooses to understand instead of constant argument. Eke huthire githungu kiu tondu riri ine ndwire maundu mothe ni matua. Maundu mothe ni gutua matua, na ungitua matua muthuri uyu ati nduri hindi urituraga na inegene argument. Werwo argument, werwo hebia argument, werwo ni tuthio argument, werwo ni tukome argument, werwo ni mutumia ni arendona argument. You choose to understand instead of argument. That is a mature man, a mature husband. Okay? Muthuri uria mature ni uria urespondaga maundu calmly even in difficult moments. Kurespondi taru, for example, ni mwahitania kana hii ni wakora mutumia waku na kahitia fulani, kana hii ni akuria undu ukwihitie we mwenyewe mahitia, handu ha kuoro na you respond calmly. Na ithe wangania mutanukiriro tanukaga irio naguo ti mwega, tiga kuguthukira mutumia ucio, murespondire wega, umwire haya koguo nawe ni wonete uguo ni ngucenjia, no tiga kumuria ndiratanuka kari we ndiratanuka. Kaundu ta kau. Muthuri mature ni uria urespondaga maundu calmly even in difficult moments. Mumekosana na umekasirika, respond calmly. So kia ciuria, solve issue in a calm way. Muthuri mature atekaga responsibilities yake. He takes responsibilities and fix his mistake. Kutake responsibility ni atia? Be a man in the house. Don't run away from responsibilities. Don't run away from bills cia nyumba. Tiga gutindana ciigwatie, tiga kuura, tiga kurira majukumu maku maria makwigie. Be there, be available. Ira Ngai aguteithagie uhote gutake responsibility. Tondu the moment worira responsibility, the moment worira duties ciaku ta muthuri, you are not mature. You are not. You are not. The moment umetorokea responsibilities zako kama mwanaume, you are not mature. That man who creates peace and emotional safety. Hey, men, na nejuga maita maiki, men, you need to give your family peace of mind. Na nejuga when you provide, you not only provide food, you also provide peace. Tondu ni ugutuhe ngima na nginya tutingire ikinyenda. So a mature man, a mature husband, he creates peace, okay, at home for his partner. Sawa sawa. He gives reassurance. A mature man give reassurance and emotional security to his wife. Yes. Kuashua, wikarago kiashuaga mutumia waku now and then. You are beautiful. You are not growing old. You are still, you keep on growing young. I love you. I still love you even in difficulties. Even in your faults, I still love you. I still need you. Wikarago kiraga mundu waku ni umwendete na no uramufatara now and then. Nigu wikarago kiashuaga mundu waku we sawa. Wikarago kiashuaga ciana ciaku we me sawa, ni gutinda ugithinikania ciana hindi ciothe ni gwetherera mahitia. Ciana itire na thayu nawe, ciana itire na thayu nawe, matua gukwariria ni kumagoromokera. You don't respond what your children are asking calmly. You are not mature. Think twice. A mature man protects trust as a top priority. Una protect trust ndani yako. Kwa roho yako unaiweka trust ili mwenzako akuwe na amani. Prioritize trust in your marriage, in your relationship. Yes, a mature man protect trust as a priority, because when you lack trust kwa doa hakuwezi kalika. Queen Mary saying that a mature man build the relationship with effort and consistency. Muthuri mature ana build the relationship with effort and consistency. You know, you married, yes, 20 years ago, and na niwe kaine view niwe ikanetie na nginya ni ugaga ni uhikanetie ni ugaga we na mutumia miaka 10. I am proudly married for 5 years, for 10 years, for 30, for 50. Dio sikatai. But how are you building this relationship? Kana nire mwenare muthia na mathitoka. Are you consistently building this relationship? Bila kustasta, bila kusahau sometimes. Wetu aginya nduramenya school fees nirariho. Wetu aginya nduramenya irio gutire. Are you building this with effort? You know, you must have effort. You must be effortless, you know, always. Because boma ni yako kama mwanaume. Otherwise, when you fail to do that, wewe mwenyewe powers zako kama mwanaume zitaisha. Be mature. Be mature. Be a mature man. You know, a mature man loves with maturity and respect. Ni kwenda mundu na iteo, no ti kwendaga mundu na conditions. Ati we ni we ndagutire kwanyu, we ni we ura gwakite, tigane ni ona ndongire hau uri ni nini? What is it? Can you love with maturity and respect? Respect that woman, tondu tiga ni wake muoire ndirarega, no to nginya akorwe gwaku. So you need to love her with maturity and respect. Respect ya mdomo, respect ya matendo, respect, so that you be mature. A mature man loves with maturity and respect. A mature man listens before judging or reacting. You know, now, muthumia waku ni urabatara kumuthikiriria muno. Whenever you see her talking, be a good listener. Listen carefully. Don't judge quickly or react. Atu kwira reka udu kamuhe time. Eji express. Let her articulate herself to you, because you are her confidant. That's why she's married to you. That is a mature husband. Sawa? Okay? Queen Mary saying that. Queen Mary anasema hivi, a mature man listens before judging or reacting. A mature man supports growth together instead of control. A mature man married to a good wife or bad, whichever, because wewe ndio unajua. Okay? He supports growth together instead of control. Sasa wewe baba yako ni kushida hapo ukisema sijui nini hiyo kazi unafanyanga, mimi hata sijui ulitoa wapi hizo maguo unashonaga, hata nilikuwa nataka ushone maguo, mimi nilikuwa nataka kukuwekea hardware. Wewe hardware ni yako, acha bibi yako afanye kazi yake. Support growth instead of control. Kama bibi yako ni mwalimu, wewe ni banka, wewe wenda ukapeane pesa, wacha mwalimu afundishe, rekia hasoke ahora hane, rekia sore na shoka. Don't control. Support the growth of your wife. Don't control. Ukiugaga tigane ni ndoge kinyete hau. Wewe mlipatana na yeye akiwa na meno 32 na hata yeye alisomeshwa na wazazi wake. Mbona wewe a mature man support the growth instead of controlling. Okay? Queen Mary ameongea leo. Queen Mary leo alinaongea na men, and we love men so very much, but it's good to keep on reminding ourselves, because all these things ndizo zinafanya doa zikose kukalika, because when you don't apply those tips that I've given here, then utajipata hata ukiabiwa na huko. So mimi nimeona instead of uabiwe na bibi yako you are not mature, watoto wako wakwambie you are not mature, Queen Mary ameruhusiwa kusema hivi. So angalia hizo tips. Thank you.